All right, so a quick recap. 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, factory code 19, black car, T-tops, 403 engine, runs and drives really good, very reliable with an automatic transmission. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Guys, please, serious inquiries only. Thanks for watching. MGMClassicCars.com. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here on this test drive. Obviously you've seen my quick walk around, and I'll do another one after the test drive here. Let me not roll up the windows, but I'll put up the windows because we have power windows. And they work excellent. I'll demonstrate that a little bit later. But right now, we're going to go for a virtual test drive, and hopefully this will help you guys distinguish the fact that, hey, I'm buying this car, this is the one for me or not. So, here we go. It shifts really nice. It's a 403 original matching engine to the car with the transmission in the rear end. I mean, really, guys, it hugs the road very nice. It drives good. There's no weird noises going on. I think you guys would really like it. We found the car in Wisconsin. The guy told us he was the third owner on the car, or maybe he said second. I don't remember. So you know. Factory code 19 paint on the car. Paint's a 7 out of a 10. It appears to be original, but I'm not 100% sure either if it's original paint or not. I mean, it looks really good to be original, but it possibly could be. No Bondo on the car. Everything looks to be factory. The magnet sticks everywhere on the body. The interior, it's a factory T-top car. Interior is red in color. It's got red cloth seats, which is original to the car. The dash on the car is original. There are no cracks in it, and it really, really looks nice on the car. As far as the gauges on the inside, the speedo works, even the clock works. Water temp, engine PSI, odometer, tach, stereo functions, power windows work. Let's check out let's see, the air conditioning. This is a factory air conditioned car, but it definitely is going to need a belt for it. And I would probably guess it's going to need a rebuild as far as the air conditioning compressor. Okay. I do feel some heat coming from the defrost, so that seems to function. But don't quote me 100%. I mean, this is an old car. Stereo does work. This has a factory rear defrost option, and it does work as well. Horn functions, and as you can see, the wipers do work. So, I mean, and it's got tilt wheel. I mean, pretty much, so let's just say everything pretty much works on the car here that we're going over. Stereo as well. You know, this 79 has the RTS, which is the radial tune suspension. That's why this thing drives really nice going down the road. Brakes are just, their brakes are a little soft, so I would probably, you know, have them gone through. It does stop good, but I would say they're a little soft. Okay. Power steering is excellent, but it does have power disc brakes as well. And the pickup on the car is strong. It does trip the tires as well. I would have to say that this motor has been rebuilt at some time. The odometer is showing 114,000, but feeling the motor, it does feel like it's been rebuilt because it is strong. So we'll do a turnaround somewhere here, and it stops fairly good. It's nice with the T-tops off. I'm driving with the T-tops on the car right now. We'll do a turnaround here, and then we'll head back. Reverse functions excellent as well. So again, if you guys are looking for something original that's very affordable, this is it. We also deliver worldwide. All I need is your zip code for a free quote. Usually it depends where you're at, you know, a couple days. We do financing. If you got good credit, we'll get you approved. At least a 650 score. If your score's in the 700s, it's no money down. You can buy the car with a great rate. Anything lower than that, the rates are a little bit higher. But yeah, fairly, fairly reliable. Always starts, drives well. I think whoever buys this this Firebird Trans Am, I'll be very happy with it. It's got big curb appeal. I mean, the paint from 10 feet away looks great, honestly. And what I mean by that, you know, the paint's not perfect. It's not a brand new car. You know, it's a 1979. Pickup is good on the car too. So you'll be very surprised at how it drives. Very surprised. I am. And I've driven a lot of these. All the glass on the car, like, does have power windows, power locks as well. All the windows look good on the car. All the glass, should I say. No overheating issues. So if you need financing, go to lightstream.com. If you're, you know, 700 credit score and up, you can go there and get financed. If you're lower than that, then go to jjbest.com or call Chris at jjbest. You can Google them and find out. I'll handle the delivery. So once we get done with the virtual test drive, I'll do a quick walk around. If you guys are looking for any other makes and models, go to mgmclassiccars.com.